Alright guys, today we are taking a deep dive into something seriously special, and I mean special. This is the Porsche Design Honor Magic7 RSR, and from the moment you see it, you know this is not your average flagship smartphone. This is where luxury meets cutting-edge tech in a way that honestly feels next level. The design language is inspired by Porsche design, with that bold hexagonal camera module and those signature peak lines that give it a symmetrical, performance-driven look. It feels like holding a precision-engineered sports car in your hand. If you're into premium tech and high-end craftsmanship, you're going to love this one. And before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like, because we're diving deep into everything this powerhouse has to offer, and you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Now let's talk about build quality, because this thing is built like a tank, but a very elegant tank. It features the Honor anti-scratch nanocrystal shield, and it even comes with SGS 5-star certification for scratch and drop resistance in multiple scenarios. In real-world terms, that means way more confidence when you're using it day to day. On top of that, you're getting IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. So whether you get caught in the rain or you're dealing with dust, splashes, or just everyday accidents, this phone is ready for it. It's premium, but it's also practical. Flip it over and you're looking at a stunning 6.80-inch display with near-perfect bezel symmetry. The screen supports a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive dynamic refresh rate, so whether you're scrolling through social media or gaming hard, it adjusts seamlessly. The brightness is insane too, up to 5000 nits peak HDR brightness. Outdoors, in direct sunlight, this thing stays visible and sharp. And with 453 pixels per inch, everything looks crisp and detailed. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The Natural Light Honor AI Eye Comfort display is packed with 7 different eye care features. We're talking 4320 Hz PWM flicker-free dimming, hardware-level low blue light, dynamic dimming, natural tone display, even a circadian night display that helps promote better sleep by increasing melatonin production. That's wild. It's not just about looking good, it's about long-term comfort. If you spend hours on your phone like most of us do, this actually makes a difference. Security is on point as well. You get dual 3D biometric authentication with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that works even with wet hands, plus 3D facial recognition. It's fast, it's seamless, and it feels futuristic every single time you unlock it. Audio surprised me too. The Honor Surround subwoofer system delivers deep, rich bass that you don't normally expect from a smartphone. Watching movies or gaming without headphones actually feels immersive. It even has SGS 5-star audio and spatial audio certification, which says a lot about the tuning here. Now let's get into the cameras, because this is where the Magic7 RSR really flexes. The headline feature is the 200MP telephoto camera with a massive 1/1.4-inch ultra-large sensor and an f1.88 aperture. You get 3x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. And thanks to that floating periscope group and dual electromagnetic motors, the stabilization and clarity are seriously impressive. Low light shots hold detail, zoomed-in images don't fall apart, and macro shots look insanely sharp. The main camera is a 50MP Ultra HD sensor with a self-adjusting aperture from f1.4 to f2.0 and up to 15 electron volts ultra-high dynamic range. That means better highlights, better shadows, and more balanced shots in tricky lighting. There's also a 50MP ultra-wide camera with macro capabilities and a 50MP front camera that shoots 4K video with AI anti-distortion. Selfies look natural, not stretched, and video is crisp and stable. Performance-wise, this thing is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform. Everything feels instant. Gaming, multitasking, heavy apps, it just flies. And it's backed by a 3rd-generation silicon carbon battery with a typical capacity of 5,850 mAh. Battery life is strong, and when you do need to top up, you've got 100W wired supercharge and 80W wireless charging. That is ridiculously fast. On the software side, macOS 9.0 brings smart AI features like AI translation for real-time conversation help, Magic Portal for quick app and information access with a simple gesture, AI privacy call that reduces sound leakage in quiet environments, and AI dual-way noise reduction for clearer calls. It feels intelligent without being overwhelming. At the end of the day, The Porsche Design Honor Magic 7 RSR is about blending luxury aesthetics with serious flagship performance. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more hands-on tech reviews like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. It really helps out the channel.